I got my box late, so you might have seen these videos, you might have seen already what's in the box. Let me adjust myself, fixing myself on camera. I'm self-recording, so I push the button and stuff. Anyway, this is the box. Legion of Collectors. Anyway, let's get this thing open and see what we got going in it. The first thing we got is a Legion of Collectors Suicide Squad Kitana patch, which is really cool. We also got a Legion of Collectors Deadshot pin, which is pretty cool too. What can I say? Now let's dive into the meat of the box. What it's really about. We got a panel card, which comes with most of the boxes. It pretty much gives you a description of your contents of what's in the box, stuff like that. We got a Suicide Squad box. We got Suicide Squad comic issue 1. I don't have this one, so I could add this to my collection, which is really cool. I collect a lot of comics, so I look forward to this. We also got a shirt. What's in the bag? Let's see what this shirt looks like. Suicide Squad. And it seems that they all are looking like Suicide Squad pop figures, which are pretty cool. Definitely cool. I don't know, weird. Got Suicide Squad action figures. One of them is opened, which is really bogus. Anyway, this is pretty much what the action figures look like. That's the Harley, and this is the Joker. The Joker was, don't know why, maybe packaging, who knows. The last thing, because I've been rushing through this, is the exclusive DC Legion of Collectors Enchantress. So if you're collecting Suicide Squad, she was only in the Legion of Collectors box, I believe. Who knows? Definitely happy to get her. I've been waiting for her for a long time, and that's pretty much it. So I don't know. Thank you for watching. I rushed this video just because I got it late. So if you are watching, thank you again, and see you next time in the next box.